Hello friends, this is Jimmy Singh, broker owner of Supermax Realty, 647-961-2639, or you can reach me at www.supermaxrealty.ca. So friends, in today's video, I would like to discuss about market update for the third quarter of 2020 for Greater Toronto Area condo market. So in this short video, friends, I'm going to divide into first part would be stats for condo market in GTA. Second part of the video, I'm going to discuss about what happened in the third quarter for condo rentals in Greater Toronto Area. Third part, I would like to discuss about brand new condo sales in Greater Toronto Area. And the fourth part would be the top 3 areas in Toronto and in GTA where mostly condo sales happen. That is downtown Condo, North York and Mississauga, where bunch of mostly bulk of my investors invest in those markets. So this video, previously last year and most of the previous years, I make these videos only exclusive for my investor clients. But this year, I'm going to start doing all these videos for general public so they will be more educated and make informed decision. So friend, first thing is, last week we have all the stats from Greater Toronto Area as per Toronto Regional Real Estate Board, and they said from third quarter, that is July, August and September 2020, we have in total 7,072 sales in GTA for condos, which are actually up 10.5% as compared to third quarter of 2019. And active listings in the third quarter of 2020, they're also up. Right now in the third quarter, the new listings were 17,613, which were up 84.6%. So if you take the same 3 months in 2019, that those 3 months in total we have 9,542 listings. But as I said, this quarter we had total 17,613. And average price point for condos in GTA, it is approximately $633,000, 484. And it is up 8.3% for this quarter versus 2019. And average days for Toronto real estate, especially for condos, is 20 days on the market. And if I dissect the market of GTA condos, out of 7,072 sales, approximately 4,770 sales happened in Toronto, because Toronto is the biggest condo market. Then there's other condo markets like York, which has Vaughan and all the surrounding areas close to GTA, and then there's Peel is a bigger market. So Toronto has 4,770 condo sales in the third quarter, where the average price of condo is $680,963. And in Peel area, which is Mississauga, Brampton, they have Mississauga actually is the biggest condo market here. So they had 895 sales with the average price point of $521,588. And for York region, we have in total 723 sales. And as you guys already see, because of subway lines extension and everything, Vaughan is doing very well with condos. And obviously they have Richmond Hill and surrounding communities as well. So average price point in York was $579,000. And for Halton region, which is Oakville, Milton, Burlington, they have 400 units sold in the third quarter with the average price point of $560,000, $570. And then for Durham, which is the east of Toronto, Oshawa, Pickering, Ajax, 227 condos were sold with the average price point of $427,000. So friends, as you can see, there's a big difference of the price point. So if the average condo price in Toronto is 680,000, there's roughly $100,000 difference if you buy similar kind of condos in Peel region or your region, and they offer a lot of value. So a lot of people, because of the COVID or they are looking for more space, Peel, Mississauga condo market is very brisk, and for next 10 years they have close to 20-30 new towers coming there. So I think better value, Peel, York is good. For East End clients, Durham also has some good condo projects. See friends, these are just purely stats, and stats don't tell the whole truth. And this is only one quarter of 2020, and this doesn't make a trend. So friends, we have to see how things unfold with the new listings and sales in next 3 to 6 months, and it will actually dictate the long-term trend for the selling prices. Because what happened is, in real estate, they said, location, 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 right? But this year, in January, I discussed about other 3 important factors. If you watch my videos from January, February, I especially talk about Toronto because, green belt, because most of the land is landlocked in and around GTA. That's why builders are going vertical, making condos. There's not much land. So there is 3 important L's. It's not a location, location, location. Any guess? So the first L, which I tell my client, is obviously land. Because of the shortage, the house, construction price or cost to acquire land, for front feet is increasing for builders. Second L is labor. There's a big labor shortage for construction trades that will also increase the construction price for the builders. At the end, people will pay more for that. And the third big L is lumber. In the last 3 months, there's a big shortage of lumber for, construction, because if you see California, there's a big, fire in the California. So it is burning down a lot of trees, lot of forests. So there's lumber shortage. Plus, because of the COVID, sawmills were closed in Vancouver in certain parts, again putting a lot of bottlenecks. So these are the 3 L's we have to look for. That is lumber, labor and land. Those trends will keep continuing for 2021, irrespective how much supply comes in the market, but the cost will keep increasing for the builders. And if I break down all these sales from GTA, 32% of condo apartments sold in GTA were 2-bedroom. And then 25% of all the condos sold were 1+ den. 20% of condos sold were 1-bedroom, and 14% condos were 2-bedroom plus den. And 7% condos sold in Greater Toronto area in the third quarter for 2020 were 3 bedrooms. And the smallest segment, 2%, was bachelors, which is the very smallest, and mostly investors buy for good rentability. And if I break down all the sales area wise, 68% condo sales in the third quarter happen in Toronto. 13% condo sales in the third quarter happen in Peel region. 10% of condo sales happen in York region. 6% in Halton. 3% in Durham. So guys, if you take some time and dissect all these stats, where the trends are, what is more desirable, it will give you a clear picture, which property types you should be investing in around GTA. And if I break down top 3 price ranges where most bulk of the condos are selling, number 1 range where maximum condos sold were between 500 to 600 range. They had the most sales in Greater Toronto area for the third quarter 2020. Second active range for the price point for the condo sales is 400 to 500 range. And the third range for the condo sales is 600 to 700. So as I said, the bulk of the sales, number 1 position goes to 5 to 600 price range, second goes to 4 to 500, and third goes to 6 to 700 price point for the condos. Now let's talk about a rental market, because I invest with lot of clients in around GTA in a condo market. So that is another thing we are focusing on, how the rental market is doing. See, right now the GTA vacancy rate for condos, it is not that bad. The highest vacancy rate right now I see is in Toronto, which is hovering around 0.9% vacancy rate. And if I talk about York region, like Vaughan and surrounding areas, York average vacancy rate is right now 0.3%. It means if you are looking to rent a condo in Vaughan, if you are looking to rent in Richmond Hill and Thornhill, those areas market is really tight. So basically tenants still have to fight to get a good unit. And if you are my audience and listening to my channel for last couple of months, I told you in March I did bought a condo in Vaughan for investment myself, because I see big future there because of the subway extension and lot of new towers coming close to Vaughan metropolitan city. There's going to be commercial towers, there's going to be residential towers, plus the price is less as compared to core. And the vacancy rate for the region of Peel, Halton and Durham is 0.54%. So again guys, it's not that bad, but I have to keep an eye how more supply will affect the marketplace. So the total units leased in Greater Toronto area for the third quarter were 14,036 units that were leased as per as MLS. Obviously we can't have the number for private people who lease themselves with Kijiji, Craigslist or those kind of, so I don't have all the data, but the MLS data says 14,000 units were leased in the third quarter. And if I see, the downtown, maximum condos in GTA were rented in downtown. So downtown is the biggest condo market because there's a lot of high paying jobs, there's a lot of universities and there's a lot of international students that come here. Second biggest condo market in GTA is North York. So North York is the second biggest market, and the third biggest market for condos in GTA is Mississauga. So if you're an investor, you're investing in downtown Toronto, North York, Mississauga, you will do very well in long term. And if I see the rents are not doing that good, my friend. So if you see bunch of my videos last couple of months, rent has been in continuous decline. So one bedroom rental unit, the price has gone down 11.1% year over year. For two bedroom, the price has again gone down, and right now you can fetch only $22.63 versus last year when the prices are up 9.2%. So the price of two bedroom is down 9.2%, right? So those are all the stats for rental market. So it will give you, in a nutshell, a little bit idea how vacancy rate and things are going in different price points. Third thing I would like to discuss, my friends, is brand new condo sales. So it will dictate the consumer confidence in the market buying brand new product, because 50% sales of brand new condos are bought by investor clients. So as per Urban Nation recent report, they said GTA new condo sales have record sales in the third quarter of 2020 for these 3 months, July, August, September, as compared to last year same 3 months. And the sales of brand new condos are up 30% year over year. And they said the total condo sales for brand new product were 6,370 sales. And most of these sales actually happened in 905 areas where land is still cheaper for builder to make good profit. So bunch of the new sales, as I said, happened in 905 areas versus core areas. And in total, the sales are up 106% year over year in 905 areas. And as I said, out of total 6,370 sales of new product, 3,834 sales happened in 905 areas around Toronto area. While in Toronto, the brand new condo sales are down in the third quarter 16%. And the total sales in Toronto were 2,536. And they also, the report said, in third quarter, in total, 6,694 new units were launched by the builders in the marketplace with the average price of $1,044 per square feet, which is actually 3.5% higher in the third quarter of 2009. So those are the price point people bought the pre-construction, $1,044. And in the third quarter, 65% of the sales happen in 905 areas with a selling price of $915 per square feet. And in Toronto area, the new product builder brought to the marketplace, their average price per square feet was $1,275. So as you can see, guys, $1,275 in Toronto versus $915 per square in outside the Toronto area in GTA. This is the reason the bulk of sales happened there. And lastly, I like to break down the top 3 markets where I work. First, I'm going to start with downtown condo market because that is the biggest one. And how do we know what is the downtown area? So as per Toronto Real Estate Board, they break it down into regions C01, C08, and as per the layman's explanation, you can see on the east side would be Don Valley, and at the south end would be Lakeshore, and on the west side would be Dufferin, and on the top side would be Bloor Street West, Bloor Street North. So basically that is a box: Bloor Street, Dufferin, Lakeshore, Don Valley. So this will encompass downtown condo market C01, C08 as per Toronto Real Estate Board. So in a nutshell, C08 is a smaller pocket. Basically, you go east of Young Church, Cabbage Town corridor, Regent Park, and then at the bottom waterfront, C08 areas. And C01 is the biggest area with waterfront close to CN Tower, Bay Street corridor, University area where there's American Embassy and stuff. Then there's Chinatown, Little Italy, Little Portugal, and then they have Liberty Village and Niagara. So those are the 2 main sections with a bunch of investors and people, young professionals that live there because of good quality life. And maximum sales, friend, in downtown condos happened in 1+ den product with 511 sales in the third quarter. 1 bedroom is second in the line with total sales of 480 units sold. 2 bedroom has 365 sales. 2 bedroom plus den has 170 sales. Bachelors had 77 sales, and 3 bedroom has 43 sales. So as you can see, in downtown, the biggest demand was for 1+ den sales, and the second product was 1 bedroom. And friends, active selling price range in downtown, which I see from my research, is between $600,000 to $700,000. So that is the number 1 range where maximum condos were sold. Second in the line was the range 500 to 600, and third range was 7 to 8. So as you can see, mostly people are focusing 6 to 7 range, and they had the bulk of sales. Now let's talk about North York market. North York also is doing very well, and there basically 2 bedroom sales were the highest sales. 120 sales were reported for 2 bedrooms. 1+ den has 113 sales. 1 bedroom had 69 sales. 2 bedroom plus den had 66 sales, and 3 bedroom has 19 sales. So if I see active price range which is moving in North York, that is number 1 range is between 500 to 600. Second range is 600 to 7, and the third range is 700 to 800. See, the North York attract lot of renters because it is inexpensive as compared to downtown. So the people who can't live in downtown core area, they go to uptown, they go to North York because the rentals are cheap, and instead of getting crammed in a smaller unit, they can buy a bigger unit in North York. And obviously North York is close to everything pretty much. You can go East Scarborough, you can go west, you can go downtown. So that is also very, very strong investor market. Third market, friend, is the Mississauga market. So the maximum sales happened in Mississauga condo market for third quarter of 2020 was 1+ den. 1+ den had in total 108 sales, number 1 range. Second on the list was 2-bedroom with 72 sales. Third on the list was 2-bedroom plus den with 63 sales. And fourth on the list was 1-bedroom with 43 sales in Mississauga. So these are the top 3 markets I focus for my clients for investment: downtown Toronto, North York, and Mississauga, because Mississauga also has lot of top fortune companies head offices, plus it is close to airport. So future is very bright for all these 3 markets. Short term there might be some volatility, but that's what it is. So friends, I think I hope you like all the stats and analysis, and if you have any questions you can always reach me at 647-961-2639. And if you're an investor looking to buy pre-construction, resale, assignments, or you know somebody who has a unit looking to lease to a quality tenant, give Supermax team a call. I've been personally helping my clients build their real estate portfolio for the last 15 years, and we have a full service property management and real estate brokerage. Thanks for watching. God bless you.